Diane and Emma here. I hope you are fine and well today. I'm just checking in with you for a little chat today. Let me just get the timer started. Remember, before you go into the internet, you may be looking for inspiration, motivation. Don't get stuck there all day, okay? Don't get stuck on your bahookie. I'm setting my timer. If you're wondering what I'm up to at the moment, I am on Instagram and I'm taking you through one more time the Flylady's 31 baby steps. And I first did the baby step videos in 2017, and I haven't looked at those videos. And I'm just, giving you a new fresh take on things because, my life looks very different from how it did back in 2017. We've got the current world situation. So I'm giving you little tips and tricks what I have learnt since I first started Flylady in 2006. And even, what has, worked for me, not worked for me in the last few years. I'm doing a recap here on YouTube of the videos. I've already posted the first days. The next one will be coming tomorrow on Friday. But please join us on Instagram. It's really, it's very motivational over there because we can post pictures, we can see each other's outfits for the day, a shiny sink, the power of using your timer for a few minutes to do a poopa, a pick up and put away, or some form of decluttering. So that if you're wondering where I'm day to day, I'm on Instagram. So what shall we talk about today? Just a few things I want to say because the world situation is quite difficult right now. This is going to be our new normal. We're kind of back into a second lockdown here in Denmark. My husband's back working from home again. That's why I'm kind of filming mainly from our bedroom. I'm able to film in here this morning. But also the kids, they are some online school, some physical in school. And that this is just going to be our new normal for a while. And what carries us through? The routines, just the basic morning and evening routine, and just keeping that thought in your head that we've dealt with a lot of challenges in the past, whether that is bereavement or illness or a change of job, change of situation, moving house, having kids, being an empty nester, retirement, and it's just a period of adjustment and change and getting into our new routines. So just a wee word of encouragement, keep going with your routines, but you probably have to change things up a wee bit at the moment and see what's working for you. On that note about my kids, my son has now started university in Copenhagen, and I know a lot of you want to know details and stuff, but I like to give him his privacy, so I won't be telling you what he's studying. And you never see my family on video, and we like to keep some things private. But he is moving out of the house. We've bought him a flat quite close to university in Copenhagen, a fantastic flat. I want to live there. It's really, really hoogly and cozy. He's up on the 4th floor. No lift. We are in Denmark, I think that's why the Danes are so fit and healthy, because we walk, bike, and go up lots of flights of stairs. He's moving into the apartment and he will be renting the apartment from us. It's quite a common thing here in Denmark because there's not much affordable student accommodation. So it's like an investment for us, and he will be living there. And it's got a nice little balcony and beautiful views, and so I'm helping my son to kind of find his feet with that. And again, he's got his little routines going. We're just decluttering stuff here at home. Will it be stuff that he wants to take to the apartment? Is it stuff that can be handed on to somebody else who's going to use it? Is it kind of sentimental things? He's got a few sentimental things that we will keep in a box from here, and he'll still have his bedroom here, but I'm going to be turning it into my office. So there we go. So that's kind of an update on the family at the moment. Vis-a-vis Flylady stuff, I know we all want to do the Flylady and we all want to do the zone cleaning and get into that. But the crux of Flylady is looking after you. And I thought we'd just tell you today, we're on zone 4 this week. If you're following the Flylady zones for cleaning. And you know, I've got my lists, cleaning lists and all that kind of jazz. It's on my blog, dianedenmark.com. You'll find everything there. Also, my menu plan for the week, I post that, and my outfits, and you can see that. And I want to talk about self-care, or self-preservation, as I like to call it. I've made up this little bingo card, as I call it. And I'm doing it by zone. So here we are, self-preservation, zone 4. And I have, on my blog, there's ideas for pamper time by zone, gardening by zone, also things that you might want to stock up on when you're in the zone, just so you kind of have an overview of things. And I'll tell you what's on my self-preservation list for this week. And let's see, let me just grab a pen because I may be able to cross some off. Right, here we go, eyes down for full house. So zone 4 is the bedroom, and there's a lot of ideas in here of things that are kind of, you know, things to do with relaxing in the bedroom, or what you can do to make your bedroom a little more cozy, a little more hoogly. Here in Denmark, it was start of autumn for us and 1st of September, and the weather's really autumnal at the moment. It was actually sunny when I went down. If you're wondering why I'm kind of fluffy, I was down for a skinny dip with my bestie Vivica, and we had our breakfast down there. And it was actually quite sunny down there, but now it is pouring with rain. But hey ho, we make our own sunshine. I've got the candles going. So kind of autumny here at the moment, and I'm feeling kind of in the autumn mood. Zone 4, diffuser. I'm going to clean out my diffuser and look at the, I've got a few oils. I'm not a huge oil fanatic, but I'm going to see what I'm going to use, because I quite often use the diffuser when I'm getting ready for bed at night. I just switch it on for a couple of minutes, and usually I use lavender, but maybe I can change that up. Play around in my wardrobe, make a few different outfits. I've already been doing that because normally I wouldn't go so much colour, but I'm trying a few different things. Maybe you want to play around with what you've got, make up some new outfits for the day. Books, you know, I love my books. So I've been on the, oh actually that one I can cross off. I've been on the library's website looking at new books that are coming out and ordering them, and I'm first in the queue for a few of those. I'm going to go to bed with a cup of hot chocolate this week. Haven't done that yet. That may happen tonight or at the weekend. I'm going to move around the candles that I have in the bedroom when I'm getting ready in the morning. Also, you know, on days when I kind of get up and I'm just not feeling like moving. I like some candles in the bedroom. I also like candles when I'm having my shower in the morning. I'm going to move around the candles that we have just to make it feel new. Remember, you don't need to buy anything new, shop what you've already got. And the other thing was, you've probably, if you've been watching my videos before, you know that normally the last one, I try and keep friends on my radar. Now, of course, with the corona thing going on, I haven't been able to, you know, we're trying to limit the amount of people that we see, and I've been trying to see maybe one friend a week, you know, physical distancing, you know, masks, sitting outside if possible. And this week I've been to a clothes swap, and I know you love the clothes swap videos. I'll try and make a clothes swap video this weekend. Of course, it was different this time. There weren't so many ladies there. We weren't there for the same amount of time. We had the masks on. There was hand sanitizer on the table, along with all the yummy food. So that's what my self-preservation bingo chart looks like this week. And you may say, oh, what a silly idea of having the bingo card. I'm telling you, if you have this bingo card, if you just write down a few ideas, it's that kind of nudging thing again. It's like, oh, Diane, you said you were going to do that. And it actually gets us to do it. And you can see here, there's nothing that costs any money. There's no money involved, said the canny Scot. Oh, there goes my timer. There's no money involved, but it's just a way of really focusing in on just spending a minute, 2 minutes every day, and being, you know, very definite about, you know, we are looking after ourselves. And then that's what I want you to do today. So if you haven't already done it, maybe you've got an LED candle or a candle you can light, put it beside your shiny sink. Oh, you can see there's a porridge pot there from one of the kids. You know, just do something nice for yourself today. It's raining, get bundled up and go and look outside. I posted some pictures on Instagram yesterday. I'll see if I can put them here. It was foggy here yesterday morning, and it was the most beautiful fog because there were cobwebs everywhere that looked like lace, garlands of lace everywhere. And you know, I'm not normally into cobwebs, we're normally trying to remove them, but it was just a beautiful sight. So just, you know, take a moment just to look up, look around, and take a wee moment for you. So on that note, I'm going to get going with my day. I'll put the next recap of 31 baby step videos. That will be coming tomorrow. And otherwise, come and join us on Instagram for some inspiration and a bit of fun. And that was it. So I shall see you when I see you. Live long and prosper. May the Danish hoogie be with you. And here we go with a little pom-pom shake for anybody who needs one, and a virtual hug. And a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.